As your Vern Eide vehicle lease is expiring soon, we'd like to take just 60 seconds to offer just some of the top reasons our customers choose to continue leasing. You can get a new vehicle choosing from lots of great options and at less cost. Leasing is a great option for a customer that wants a new vehicle but is hesitant to buy one. With the money you save on cheaper monthly payments, you can truly get the vehicle you want. Vehicles available for lease are typically new models still under warranty. Even better, with tax deductions and zero or low down payments, you're able to look at vehicles that you wouldn't normally consider purchasing. You no longer have to turn a blind eye toward those brand new models. Lease your dream car today. A quick call to our leasing team can start the process of seeing where you're at in the value of your current vehicle. Vern Eide has fast and easy options to buy out your current lease, trade up to a newer leased vehicle, often at a similar payment, or release your existing vehicle, where we extend the terms and you keep driving happy. Let's talk soon, before your lease comes due.